What if your mobile network could think, learn, and adapt in real time, just like you? Imagine a world where your 5G connection isn't just fast, it's intelligent. Where your network doesn't just deliver data, but understands your needs, anticipates congestion, and self-heals before you even notice a glitch. That's not science fiction. That's ARAN, and it's happening now. Welcome to the Christian Omeni Tech Channel, your trusted hub for cutting-edge tech insights, smart solutions, and future-forward innovation. If you're passionate about technology and want to stay ahead of the curve, you're in the right place. Subscribe now and join a growing community of thinkers, builders, and tech enthusiasts. Fresh content drops regularly. Don't miss out. What is ARAN? Let's break it down. RAN, or Radio Access Network, is the part of your mobile network that connects your device to the internet. It's the invisible bridge between your phone and the cell tower. Traditionally, RANs have been hardware-heavy, rigid, and reactive. They do their job well, but they don't think. Now enter ARAN, a revolutionary concept where artificial intelligence is embedded directly into the RAN infrastructure, especially at the edge of the network. This means smarter decisions, faster responses, and more efficient use of resources. Think of ARAN as giving your network a brain. It can predict traffic surges before they happen, allocate spectrum dynamically based on demand, detect and fix anomalies in real time, optimize energy usage across towers, support new services like autonomous vehicles, smart factories, and immersive AR or VR, and it's not just theory. Companies like NVIDIA and SoftBank have already conducted successful field trials in Japan, showing that ARAN can deliver carrier-grade performance, energy efficiency, and multi-tenancy, all on a single, GPU-powered platform. Why AI at the edge matters? Let's talk about the edge. The edge is where the action happens, close to the user, close to the device. Instead of sending data all the way to a central cloud, edge computing processes it locally. This means a lower latency, faster response times, a better privacy, less data traveling across the network, a real-time decision-making, critical for autonomous systems. AI at the edge transforms the RAN into a multi-purpose platform. It is no longer just a data pipe. It becomes a computational powerhouse capable of running AI workloads alongside traditional network functions. This is especially important for emerging applications like teleoperations for robots and drones, a computer vision in agriculture and manufacturing, a generative AI assistance on mobile devices, a spatial computing and 3D collaboration, a robotic surgery and remote diagnostics. With AI RAN, telcos can support these services without overhauling their entire infrastructure. They simply upgrade their RAN with NVIDIA's Aerial platform, which includes computer-accelerated software, AI frameworks, and simulation tools. Clapperboard real demos. What's happening now? Let's look at some real-world demos and deployments. 1. SoftBank's field trial in Fujisawa City, Japan. Using NVIDIA's Aerial software and accelerated hardware, SoftBank demonstrated a virtualized RAN performance, AI and RAN multi-tenancy, energy-efficient operations. This trial proved that AI RAN is not just viable, it's scalable. SoftBank plans to roll out commercial AI RAN services by 2026, turning their network into an AI grid that supports industries, consumers, and enterprises. 2. Generative AI on mobile networks. NVIDIA's AI Aerial platform allows telcos to host generative AI applications directly on the RAN. This means a personalized AI assistance on your phone, a real-time language translation, AI-powered customer service bots, a predictive maintenance for network equipment. These demos show how AI RAN can monetize the network by offering new services to consumers and businesses. Crystal ball future predictions. What's next for AI RAN? Let's gaze into the crystal ball. 1. 6G and beyond. AI RAN will be foundational to 6G networks, which promise a terabit speeds, ultra-low latency, a massive device connectivity. AI will be embedded at every layer, from signal processing to traffic management to user experience. Networks will become self-optimizing, self-healing, and context-aware. 2. AI-driven spectrum allocation. Instead of static frequency bands, AI will dynamically allocate spectrum based on a user density, or application type, environmental conditions. This will maximize efficiency and reduce interference, especially in urban areas. 3. AI-powered network resilience. Networks will detect anomalies, like cyber attacks or hardware failures, and respond autonomously. AI will reroute traffic, isolate threats, or alert operators in real time. This will make mobile networks more secure and reliable than ever before. 4. Telcos as AI hubs. Telcos will evolve from connectivity providers to AI infrastructure leaders. They'll host AI training and inference workloads, becoming the backbone of the AI economy. According to NVIDIA survey, 84% of telecom professionals say AI is increasing their company's revenue, while 77% report reduced operating costs. That's a massive shift. Why should you care? Let's bring it home. You might be wondering, how does this affect me? Here's how. A better mobile experience, fewer dropped calls, faster downloads, smoother video streaming, smarter cities. AI-RAN powers traffic management, public safety, and environmental monitoring, a job creation. New roles in AI engineering, data science, and edge computing, a digital inclusion. AI-RAN can extend coverage to rural areas by optimizing resource usage. Our environmental impact. AI reduces energy consumption across networks, supporting sustainability goals. Whether you're a student, developer, entrepreneur, or just a curious mind, AI-RAN is shaping the future you'll live in. If this excites you, here's what you can do. Subscribe to the Christian Omeni Tech channel for more deep dives into emerging tech. Share this video with friends and colleagues who care about the future of connectivity. Comment below with your thoughts. What applications of AI-RAN are you most excited about? Or explore NVIDIA's AI aerial platform to see how telcos are building smarter networks. I hope this video has been informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content.